Good day, sir. I am Relan Mars Pagdato, and today I will present my proposed five-story office building located at Santol Street, Mansalan, Davao del Sur. This project was developed following the provisions of NSCP 2015 to ensure safety, serviceability, and structural integrity. In this presentation, I will discuss the design process from archi to structural design. I will identify also the most critical frame and member. The design process started with the architectural planning of the building. The structure has overall dimension of approximately 80 meters by 40 meters. The ground floor contains the reception area, customer service office, cafeteria, clinic, IT office, utility rooms, and emergency exits. For roof plan here. For the roof plan, this layout was completed. The structural grid system was established. The building uses a regular column spacing of approximately 5 meters, creating a uniform structural framing system. This framing arrangement allowed loads to be transferred efficiently from slabs to beams here sa elevations, area, ah, from slabs to beams, tapos girders, columns, and foundation pod. Diri sa specs, diri kay na design na ingani ang detail sa stairs, top view, diri ang stairs details sa toilet, kani ang top view sa toilet, kani ang detail sa toilet. Ana siya. Ang transverse section, tapos diri ang ano, itong mga ano, technical specifications, table of content. The scope specification covers the structural concrete masonry and basic plasters finishes required for the structural integrity and dead load assumption of the project. All the structural work shall strictly conform for the latest edition of the National Structural Code of the Philippines, NSCP 2015. Dili kung igamit diri na no, C prime AFC kay ano, 28 sa slabs, sa column pod, slab on ground 21. Sa FY kay 414. Tapos, concrete cover 75 sa footing, 40 mm sa beam slabs, 20 mm. Dari ang wall, CHB, 10 mm, 3, 1:3 cement sand. Dari unit weight sa concrete, thickness sa slab, dari ang short slab, span, nara 414 ang F5, FC 28, dead load calculation. Dari gi-calculate na nako. Dari yung original na sections og total load, total dead load. Dari na part ang iyang revised tapos dari ang total dead load. Dari siya gi-calculate na 1.2 DL plus 1.6 LL. Dari siya. From longitudinal frame 1 hangtod 9. Dari kuha niya original calculation o revised. Ay, dili lang. Longitudinal di siya 1 hangtod 16. 16. Dari siya. 1.2 DL plus 1.6 LL. Sa transverse section, same method, WDL slab plus W self, na WDL equals 16.64, the girder LL 2.38, same method para sa W, tapos revised calculation from transverse 1 to just a 9. 9. Wow. Same calculation siya man siya. For 3, slope deflection method. 2EI over L, 2 theta plus theta plus WL squared over 12. Pattern, dead load plus full live load. On all spans, P2 dead load on all spans, whereas the readjacent live loaded spans near support. 3 dead load plus span and adjacent live loading. General maximum gravity action, maximum positive moment in selected spans. Ayan, mga purpose na 3, purpose 3. Atong gi-calculate ang slope deflection. Tapos, yan to kung pass pa siya or failed. Diri, pass siya. Ay nakabutang pass, diri fail. Same process siya po siya. VM, MU, VU, shell check. Tapos next na po siya, VM, MU, VU, tapos flexural check, MU. Anto dito sa last frame. Very the pass, fail, fail. Ta sa tong required template, iteration log sheet, diri sa one iteration, pass, 100, 118, 195, step and still area were insufficient, increase to 500 by 450 mm, revised bars, 3 mm, pass siya diri Tapos, reanalyze calculation, revised girders, diri revised B1S post lecture calculation, 3 nag-fail siya, share calculation, nag-pass. Tapos redesign na po ka dito. Tud sa punta ka dari final member design summary. Diri to from original design here kung sa final revised design. Diri use revised kay mas tong revised, use revised diri from diri to dari keep lang, i-keep final iteration check, interaction check. So structural detailing ini tato nga ni 100 by 400 mm ang final section, 100 by 450, 800 by 800, 150 mm thick ang slab. Diri sawag ta ano to ang revised na design. Diri bars 225 mm, 10 mm close stirrup sa 100 mm support zones at 100 mm midspan. Sorry sir. Ang bottom bars kay 225 mm po. Ano yung item of details. Clear cover niya 40 mm to stirrups. Stirrups niya 10 mm. Diameter closed stirrups with 135-degree hooks. Support zone spacing 100 mm CC within approximately 1 meter from each support. Mid-span spacing 200 mm. Sa bar continuity, the top and bottom reinforcement was extended continuously through the supports. Splices, the lap splices were provided within the permitted splice zones and placed away from areas subjected to maximum moments. Diri amo na ito revised intermediate beams 100 by 450 ay front. Tapos diri clear cover niya diri bars, syrups, 10 mm diameter closed stirrups with 135-degree hook. Reason for revision, the member depth and reinforcement were increased to meet required flexural and shear strength criteria. Mong gi-revise siya kay ang member niya nga ang depth o ang reinforcement niya kay gi-increase siya para ma-meet ang required flexural and shear strength nga criteria. Riya kay ang column design the right 100 by 800 with 8 to 38 mm vertical bars. Section size 800 vertical bars, 8 8 38 mm diameter bars ng iyang vertical bars. Ties niya 12 mm diameter closed ties. Confinement zone 100 mm, middle zone 50, splice located above the floor level and positioned outside the beam column joint region. Dria ang one-way slab na design. Siya ang 150 mm thick. Top bar niya kay 2 to 12 mm at 200 mm OC. Bottom bars 2 to 12 mm at 200 OC. 200 mm. Yung items o details, slab thickness 150 mm, funnel size 0.5 by 6 ay by 5 meters, slab action, one way slab action along the 2.5 meter short span, main bars 16 mm bar at 450 mm concrete cover. Temperature bars 12 mm at 450 C clear cover 20 mm unless otherwise specified. So, mo lang to siya. Uh, Thank you, sir.